Now, ISDN, we have been talking about it for quite some time. So what is going on with ISDN, guys? Okay. Okay, like back to ISDN. So ISDN, we were talking about this downtrend, right? Okay, so it broke the downtrend line and this was a pullback RTS. And now it is on the way up. Now, despite you see these two black candles, okay, any stock charts that you open, guys, you need to look at these two candles and read it with a pinch of salt. Now, 怎么讲呢？就係 because last Friday Dow Jones has a big down day, 500 points down. Last night's 500 points back up. So this was Monday action. So Monday the whole market was cui, but not that bad. Okay, so we see some recovery and today also recovered, but late afternoon today back to selling mode. So the market is still not out of the woods yet. After a big decline, maybe need to digest, need to consolidate a bit before the real trend kicks in. So for ISDN, you're looking at the two candles trying to trade higher, but always encounter selling. Now, doesn't mean it cannot go up. I've seen cases like this where it will continue to go up. Okay, so for now, 655 stand in the way. 655 stands in the way. What is the catalyst for ISDN to break out? Now, you see, when you trade a stock, you invest a stock, okay, I have been repeating this every week for past 1.5 years already. You must know the story behind the stock. You must know the catalyst why ISDN can go up. Now, if you look at any stock chart and you do not know, don't know, just based on the candle itself and you try to trade, okay, then you'll be like me 10 years ago, trying to use MACD crossover, moving average as a support. Any stock, just bounce, just buy. You will realize you win here, lose there is a waste of time. Okay, so ISDN, you need to be clear. This is a semiconductor industry related stock. Okay, and how is the fundamentals doing? How is the earnings doing? Now, my chart on the right-hand side show you very, very clearly. This is on an tear, on an uptrend. Okay, the earnings is on an uptrend. So even without any positive catalyst like contract win or new customer, this ISDN earnings is already on an uptrend. So we do expect the price to catch up with the earnings. Okay, now because this is what the price it looks like after reporting excellent earnings, consolidated. Okay, so after consolidation, we expect ISDN to resume uptrend. It is on an uptrend, to resume the uptrend because the earnings is strong. Okay, so unless the first half 2021 earnings tapa, that means the earnings 令人失望, didn't grow, then ISDN price will not sustain at this level but fall. Okay, now the other tool that I want to introduce to you is called the PIPS table, and also look at the price to earning ratio. Now 18 times is not too high, but ISDN used to be 11 times, 12 times, so 18 times 2 is standard, a little bit on the high side, but not excessive. So I can 接受啦，我可以接受。The other thing you want to find out is the pips. Okay, so if you take a look at the pips, 64 and a half, it closed 64 and a half. This is 10, 20%. So you can see 20 is within the 20%. So long ISDN earnings can grow by 20%, then no problem for the price to appreciate. Okay, so you see how on one chart, one stock from this YouTuber, Cedric Young, okay, he asked about ISDN. I can spin off to many concepts for you to understand, okay, how to analyze ISDN. Firstly, the chart. What is the chart doing? Why it can break the resistance? Okay, and what will be the reason it break the resistance? And what is the expectation? So if you want to trade ISDN, your expectation is the earnings next half will be better than at least 20%. If it is not, then you will see ISDN will have a shock, root awakening, and the price will come down. If you can meet and give a rosy picture going forward, ISDN can go up. 就是这么简单。股票其实不是很复杂啦。Okay, now let me take this chance, ISDN, to explain to everybody the concept. Stock investment, it is not as tough as many people imagine it to be. Okay, if you look at the stock market in terms of businesses, every company listed not Busan, listed in the Singapore Exchange are businesses. So if you use 生意上的角度来看他们的话 instead of just looking at moving average or MACD, you will see more 彻底. Okay, you will see more 彻底. That means you will know, oh, this company is making money, is profitable. Maybe I'm buying too early. I may need to wait a bit. Oh, maybe the price is too high now. I want to wait for it to come lower before I buy. So you see, business first. Okay, business first. Then only you look at the technical chart to find the levels. Right? So this is generally the way we do it. And the weekly chart, let's see any danger. Now, weekly chart, you can see that it is consolidating. Okay, consolidating. Now, I just want to show you very quickly because this chart usually I don't discuss in public because I have vested interest, but I just want to highlight this to you and you go and see for yourself lah. If I show you this view, do you see any similar pattern, guys? Do you see any similar pattern? 看得到的 comment yes. If you can see it, comment yes. If you can't see it, you comment no. Come on. Can you see a similar pattern in the stock chart? In the stock chart. Okay, in the stock chart. I'm going to draw for you, so that you are looking at the right place. Sekali 你看头看尾看不到。A and B. 看到哦。Okay, so if you can see, you means you know what to expect.